Yeah, hi guys, welcome to your mentor YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to get one clarity regarding how much percentage they are going to select for the assistant professor category. Okay, and in the same way, how much percentage they are going to select for the JRF. So I think most of the candidates are having one clarity that how much amount of percentage they are going to select for the assistant professor. Why? Because each and every time they will mention in the official notification itself. But in every time in the notification, they don't mention about the how much percentage they are going to select for the JRF category. Okay, and one more question also we are going to clear is that whether they are going to take that X percentage of candidates they are going to select from the total number of registered candidates or else the total number of appeared candidates. So this one also we are going to get clarity in this video. Okay, recently the National Testing Agency released this notification for the UGC NET June 2023 that everybody know regarding this one. And if we once go to the notification regarding this one, okay, if you once go to the notification, then they will mention that the top 6% of the candidates, okay, here you please check down, the top 6% of the candidates appeared in both the papers. They are going to select for the eligibility of the what? Assistant professor. Okay, so please make a note of the step 1. That means actually if X number of candidates are registered for the examination, Y number of candidates will appear for the examination. Why? Because definitely few absentees will be there. So for example, if you take that 100 number of candidates are registered for the examination, okay, 80% of the percentage of the candidates will write the exam. Okay, so now we are considering this 80% as a appeared number of candidates. So out of this appeared number of candidates, they will take the 6% only. Okay, they will take the 6% of the appeared candidates of both the two papers as a eligibility of the assistant professor. So this step 1 they will mention each and every time in the each and every notification, but they never ever mention about how much amount of percentage they are going to select for the JRF. Okay, that one we are going to see in this video mainly based upon the previous results and the previous analysis and all. Okay, fine. So before starting this previous analysis, all of you let's take the calculators and all. Okay, then we will come to know each and every figures very carefully. Okay, fine. So it is the official notice released by the National Testing Agency in the month of July. Okay, in the month of July for the year 2019. Okay, so if you observe here, so National Testing Agency June 2019 results. So in this one, let's have a look the results at a glance. So in this one, what they mention is that total number of registered, how many candidates are there? 9,42,419. And the total number of candidates appeared for the examination are 81,718. Okay, and the number of candidates eligible for the assistant professor are 50,945. So actually in the notification you check down that 6% they will select for the assistant professor, right? So now let's check down here. The total number of candidates qualified eligible for the assistant professor is that 5094 and 5, right? Yeah, so 50,945 divided by how many number of candidates appeared for the exam? 6,81,718, right? So these many candidates are eligible for the assistant professor. So now what is this percentage? So everybody please calculate how much percentage you got here. So I am also calculating 50,945 divided by 6,81,718. So multiplied with 100. Now I got 7.47%. Okay. So multiply this fraction with 100. Now I will get 7.47%. That means which is greater than the 6%. Okay. So now if you check the JRF how many candidates qualified? 4,756. Okay. So now if you calculate the 4,756 divided by total number of candidates appeared, means how many? 6,81,718. Now you will get as multiply with 100, so you will get as 0.69 percentage. Okay, that means not even a 1%. So please carefully understand this. Not even a 1% also they are not going to select for the JRF. Understand? Fine. In the same way, let's have a look for the next year. That is, the next notification is that December 2020 and June 2021. Okay, so for this one also, here the result at a glance is given. So for your reference purpose, here also calculate, guys. Okay, so number of appeared candidates are 50%. Okay, out registered candidates are 12 lakhs, but only 6 lakhs candidates appeared. Of course, at the time the corona was there. And the qualified candidates for the assistant professor, so 43,750. So now, if you want to check the assistant professor percentage, now, yeah, take down the calculator. 43,730 divided by number of candidates appeared, that is 6,71,288. So how much you will get? Multiplied with 100. So you will get as 6.5%, guys. Okay, 6.5% they selected for the assistant professor. And in the same way, if you calculate for the JRF candidates, so let's calculate 9127 divided by 671,288. So you will get as multiplied with 100, you will get as 1.35. So whenever the merged cycle they kept, okay, whenever the merged cycle they kept, then they increased the qualified percentage. Are you understanding? Previously it was 0.6, now it is 1.3. So they doubled the JRF qualified candidates for the merged cycle. Understood? Fine. And now let's go to the next cycle. So it is a cycle of December 2021 and June 2022. It is also a merged cycle. Okay. So in this merged cycle, the result at a glance you may check down here. So total number of candidates appeared 5,44,485. Out of this one, 43,246 candidates are qualified for the assistant professor. Okay. So now let's calculate 43,246 divided by 5,44,485. How much percentage you are getting? 7.9%. Got it or not? Okay. So in this case, the number of percentage they took as 7.9% for the assistant professor. Okay. So while coming to the JRF qualified candidates in this for this merge cycle is 8,955. So now again calculate 8,955 divided by appeared candidates 5,44,485. So you will get as 1.6. Okay, you are going to get as 1.6. So in this measured cycle also they increased, they doubled the JRF qualified candidates comparing with the single cycle. Okay. So from this one, what I want to convey you is that if you take the single cycle in 2019, the JRF percentage is 0.5. And for the merged cycle for December 2020 and June 2021, the JRF percentage is 1.2 and here it is 1.6. Okay, for the next merged cycle. So now whatever the examination is going to happen right now in the June 2023, that is also single cycle which is non-merged cycle. So for this one, how much percentage we can expect? Just like the 2019 as well as the recently happened examination in the month of Feb 2023, you can expect only 0.5 to 0.6% of the candidates will be qualified as a JRF. So not even a single percentage. Okay, not even a 1%, guys. It's 0.6% is they are going to select for the JRF candidates. Okay, so by keeping this point in your mind, all of you try to prepare hard. Okay, prepare well, practice well, and as max as possible the numericals or the theoretical concepts you must be very clear. Okay, so focus on the previous UGC NET examinations and focus on the supporting examinations also. So which are the similar examinations to the UGC NET examination, you refer those previous question papers also. Means for example, for the electronic science, UPSC Indian Engineering Services questions are similar to the UGC NET examination. So I will suggest my students, electronic students, to not only refer the UGC NET previous year question papers, but also refer the UPSC IES question papers also. In the same way, just have a look at your side. So whatever your subject related another examination is there, you just refer to those question papers also. Okay, just for the practicing purpose, guys. Okay. So if you are practicing more and more questions, they are going to increase your, or else increase your application knowledge will be more and more. Okay. So it is what the conclusion I want to give you guys. So prepare well. This time also the JRF percentage will be approximately 0.5 to 0.6 percentage of the appeared candidates. So prepare well and all the best, guys. Thank you very much.